Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
In this video we will study about use of artificial intelligence, AI, in water treatment, how to use machine learning to improve your RO process. The various applications of artificial intelligence AI in RO plants: energy efficiency improvement, predicts energy consumption, RO membrane chemical cleaning optimization, dosing chemical optimization, intake screen cleaning optimization, predictive maintenance. We will study about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. What is artificial intelligence AI? Artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a computer system to process information and produce outcomes in a manner similar to the thought process of humans in learning, decision-making, and solving problems. What is machine learning, ML? Machine learning, ML, is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that allows systems to automatically learn and improve from exposure to more data without being explicitly programmed. What is deep learning? DL is a subfield of machine learning ML that involves the use of neural networks, which are algorithms modeled after the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning algorithms are used to perform tasks that are difficult for ML algorithms. AI, energy efficiency improvement. Artificial neural networks (ANN) algorithms can be used to optimize the energy efficiency. RO plant used artificial neural networks and decision trees to optimize energy consumption in its reverse osmosis process. The AI algorithm learned to adjust various operating parameters, such as water flow rate and pressure, to minimize energy usage while maintaining the desired water quality. AI predicts energy consumption. Reinforcement learning can be used to optimize the energy prediction, predicts energy consumption of a process plant or appliance. It enables cost-effective energy supply planning and energy demand planning. Optimal operational set points for various components of HVAC systems, RO plant and building chiller system, side using reinforcement learning with feedback of human comfort and energy consumption. AI, chemical cleaning optimization. Chemical cleaning optimization, reverse osmosis, RO, membrane fouling and scaling are one of the main challenges. Membrane fouling and scaling phenomenon have a negative effect on the RO desalination system. Predicting fouling and scaling in RO systems are the key challenges and also important to evaluate the long-term performance and cost. AI, chemical cleaning optimization, AI algorithms, such as k-means clustering and regression analysis, can be used to optimize the chemical cleaning process and reduce chemical usage. K-means algorithms can be used to optimize the chemical cleaning process. Data collection. The RO plant collects data on various cleaning parameters, such as chemical type, dosage, duration, cleaning efficiency. This data is used as the input for the k-means algorithm. Clustering. The K-means algorithm groups similar cleaning processes based on their performance metrics, such as cleaning efficiency and chemical usage. This results in a number of clusters, each representing a distinct cleaning process. Identification of optimal cleaning parameters. For each cluster, the K-means algorithm identifies the optimal cleaning parameters, such as chemical type, dosage, and duration, that lead highest cleaning efficiency, lowest chemical usage. Implementation. The optimal cleaning parameters identified by the K-means algorithm are used in future cleaning processes, leading to improved cleaning efficiency and reduced chemical usage. Machine learning for accurate chemical dosing. Decision algorithms can be used to optimize the dosing chemicals. Machine learning used to adjust to effectively treat any raw water quality conditions, considering flow, particle charge, pH, temperature, alkalinity, hardness, turbidity, and organic content that generate an ideal dose rate, which avoid overdosing and lead to lowest chemical usage and optimizing chemical costs. Chemical dosing optimization might include the following variables. 1. Dosing rate. This is the variable that the AI algorithms aim to optimize. 2. Process parameters. This may include variables such as pH, temperature, and conductivity, which can affect the effectiveness of the chemical dosing process. 3. Chemical concentration. Concentration of the chemical in the process stream, which can be used to determine the effectiveness of the chemical dosing process. 4. Duration. This variable is used to record the time of each data reading, allowing for analysis of process parameters and chemical concentration over time. 5. Historical data. Previous data readings for the same process, which can be used to train the AI algorithms and improve their performance over time. AI intake screen cleaning optimization. Model predictive control algorithms can be used screen cleaning. There are several AI algorithms that can be used to monitor the pressure drop during intake screen cleaning in an RO plant. Model predictive control. A control algorithm that uses a model of the system to predict future behavior and determine the optimal control action. This case, model predictive control can be used to optimize the cleaning frequency and duration to maintain a pressure drop. AI predictive maintenance. Regression models can be used to predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance AI algorithms can be used to predict equipment failures and prevent downtime. The sensors on the equipment to predict when a failure is likely to occur. Classification algorithms used to predict the failure. Regression techniques would show how much time forecast is left before the next possible failure. Thank you for watching this video.